Let's talk about the latest launched Motorola smartphone Edge 50 Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED curved display, with 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch-hole display, resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, approximately 92% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 446 ppi pixel density, 2000 nits peak brightness, 144 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus color quality support, and with Gorilla Glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OIS main camera, along with 10 megapixel telephoto camera, and with 13 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 50 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 2.63 GHz single-core Cortex-A715 plus 2.4 GHz quad-core Cortex-A715 plus 1.8 GHz tri-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.2 by 72.4 by 8.2 mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. The color options: Black Beauty, Moonlight Pearl, Luxe Lavender colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 4500 mAh battery, with 125 watt fast charging, 50 watt wireless charging, 10 watt reverse wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, IP68 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 31,999 Indian rupees and around $383 and 106,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 35,999 Indian rupees, and around $431 and 119,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so, what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 50 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.